Hey besties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Jan, welcome. And if you're over a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much, guys. Go on with it. Besties, I just got back from the gym, so I want to show you guys how I juice. I don't have my juicer yet. I'm gonna buy it soon, but I want to show you guys other way of juicing without the juicer. You know what I'm saying? So I do my green juice, and it's so good. It's making me feel good for your immune system and all that stuff. The ingredients that I'm using on this video is cucumber is so good for you, so hydrating. Ginger is good for your immune system, and celery is so good. You guys already know that. One apple, apple is good for you. And I'm using turmeric, and also what else I'm using, lemon. So I chop them up and then I put them in the fridge. Every time I want to juice, I just take it and juice. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys because it's so good for your immune system. It's making me feel good, especially when it's like the weather is different in UK right now, so you have to keep your immune system going. Okay, healthy all the way together. This 2024 is about our health. Remember, I talked about it my becoming her. I think one of my videos I said something about making my health a priority. So anyways, let's get into it. I'll show you guys how I do it. What a break. So yeah, let me show you guys what I do. So basically, you see this stuff, that's what I put it, and then I just put it in the fridge, and then every time I just put it into my glass and drink 1 glass each morning. Sometimes I have twice, in the morning and nighttime, but mainly in the morning. Anyways, I'll show you guys because I'm hungry. I need to eat. Let me show you guys what I do. Come. Okay besties, as you can see, I have all my celery, ginger, turmeric, lemon, cucumber and everything in here, and I have my ninja blender blending. I'm just gonna put everything in here, okay, like so, and we're going to juice. Gotta put lemon because we need lemon, and you have some things in there. I just realized I don't usually do that. I use tap water, but why not? This is what I drink, so I'm just, because I'm not boiling it, I'm just gonna use this to blend everything together. Ooh. You need to make sure everything is right before you start blending. I hope this camera won't die on me before I finish. We're gonna use this stuff afterwards to, and then sieve. I think that's what you say. That's what you call them. I think that's what you call them. So anyways, we're gonna use this later. Right now we don't need it. So okay, now that it's nicely blended, we're gonna bring this. Make sure you stay in one place, and we're gonna open it, and we're going to disaster, just like so. Okay, so I'm gonna use my spoon to get the juice out of it. And pretty much you just repeat the same process, nothing different, nothing special. You just use the same thing over and over again. I'm gonna come back and show you guys how everything, after you do, this is what it will look like. So as you guys can see, yeah, I'll come back and show you guys what the juice look like. So okay besties, this is the juice that we just did. I'm gonna mix everything together, and then I'm gonna pour here. Take one, take two. Cheers. Besties, let me drink this in front of you before my camera go off because my battery is about to die. Anyways, cheers. It's not nasty at all. You have lemon, so that helped. And I love lemon. Oh, the ginger is so fiery. It's really good. I'm gonna buy glass because I broke the others. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more juicing video, let me know in the comment section. I'm about to go because my battery is literally about to die. So I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Anyways, I love you. Bye, besties.